Yeah, y'all see it. Got this art back, y'all. My baby doing the cornbread.
I ain't gotta say it twice. I'm like, ooh, I don't gotta say it twice. Baby, I never felt like this way before. You changed my life.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Dashawn. Oh, this your boy, too. We back again with another video. So today's video, y'all see the title, so I don't have to say nothing. We about to head out to the store to get a couple of things, all that. Yeah. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Mm-hmm. Like you said. Mm-hmm. Like always. So yeah. Don't mind my chair because it's broke and I gotta fix it. I ain't get a chance to fix it.
Nobody gonna buy another one.
Yeah, I am gonna buy another one. And that one gonna be off limits. Nobody ain't gonna be sitting down on my gaming chair. Nobody ain't, but we about to hit it to the store real quick. Yeah, y'all gonna see us at the store. You ready? Mm-hmm. Look at me. Look at me.
I just said yeah.
I just said yeah. But anyway, y'all, we about to head out to the store. Yeah. Catch y'all in the next clip.
A few moments later.
Back, y'all. Just came in from the store. But I ain't record that part because I ain't trying to get copyright. Because they always playing music and shit like that. So this is what I got from the grocery store. I got this right here. Spaghetti. Yeah. So today, what we doing is cooking spaghetti. Let's see. And cornbread and chicken wing. Already got the chicken wing in the sink. Yeah. Don't mind this. But anyway, yeah, y'all. So, yeah, y'all cooking with Dashawn and Tiara again. Just like the third time or how many times, I don't know how many times, but yeah. So we could get, what time is it? Sorry. We're gonna cook in 2 more hours, so y'all gonna see that. But right now, me and my baby, we finna go watch her favorite TV show. And then we're gonna start this cooking journey. Then yeah. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, babe? Mm-hmm. What's wrong with you? Mm-hmm. No, tell me, what's wrong with you? Huh? Mm-hmm. What's wrong with you? Yeah,
I don't want to talk about it right now.
She ain't gonna tell me what's wrong with her.
Is you say what's wrong with you?
But anyway, people playing music in the back and all that stuff. Ain't trying to get copyright. But anyway, and then, oh yeah, I got the ground beef in the refrigerator. Cause I ain't get to cook right now. In 2 more hours. Got the chicken wings up in here. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get the cornbread. Yeah. Yeah, but anyway, y'all, I'm finna go and watch my TV show and stuff like that. I'll see y'all when the food getting started, whatever. You got something to say? Huh? You got something to say?
No, I just said no.
Alright, y'all.
1 hour later.
Back, y'all. Started cooking already. We back. Got people back here playing music. So I gotta probably add this, put like a no copyright background music on the back. But right now they ain't playing it. But I know they gonna start playing it. And they're playing some funny stuff and all that stuff and all that. And thinking stuff funny that ain't. But this week, they be doing the ground beef. I got went to the water boil. She over here doing her thing. Got the chicken wings up in here.
Nobody didn't tell him to cook every day or everything.
She got the chicken wings.
You should have did.
She gotta do the cornbread, y'all. You know, we having chicken wings, spaghetti, and cornbread. Ain't that right, babe?
No. We have a taco.
No. But anyway, y'all. Today been a good day so far. So yeah. By the time y'all see this video, cause tomorrow we're going to Walmart. Y'all might see that. Hopefully y'all see that.
I don't know what time.
I don't know what time either. But anyway, y'all, we about to continue cooking the food and stuff like that. Y'all see it when it get done. Whatever. Waiting for her to do the cornbread and.
Cause the cornbread don't take long like these do.
I know. I gotta wipe my damn camera. Sorry about that, y'all. But yeah, we about to continue cooking. See y'all in the next clip. Whatever. Yeah. You got something to say? My baby doing the cornbread.
No, I'm not.
She is, and they looking at you doing it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, y'all, she doing the cornbread. That's all she do. Get attitude. Man, this damn camera focus. It's not focused. Okay. Now stir it up. That way you gotta do you gotta pour a lot.
No.
You gotta pour some more. But anyway, y'all, the food almost done. Got the spaghetti cooking. Yeah, y'all see it. Got this. It's already done. And the chicken wings still cooking. Got some more to cook. And yeah, and my baby, she doing the cornbread.
I'm doing nothing. This like I'm making a damn cake or something. You not finna be doing this all day to me. You gotta make a cake and stuff.
But anyway, y'all,
No, we don't change the subject.
Hold on for a minute, I gotta do something.
No, you don't.
Back, so yeah, my baby finna put the sugar in the cornbread, cause I like sugar in my cornbread. I don't know about y'all.
Nobody, everybody do it. I don't know who else don't, but everybody do it. I'm just gonna do it like this.
Yeah, y'all see it.
Please let me know that's enough. I don't want
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Now stir it up, big head.
So you trying to be funny in front of the camera now?
Yup. Stir it up, big head. Anyway, I gotta put my other chicken wings in there. So I get back to y'all in the next video, whatever. Yeah. I took my white shirt off because I don't want to get my white shirt dirty while I'm cooking. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Back, y'all. The food is done. So yeah, my baby cutting the cornbread out. I mean, she cutting the cornbread. I said cutting the cornbread out. Yeah, I'm tripping, y'all. But anyway, you did it the right way.
It's hot.
Spaghetti is done.
It's still hot though.
Yeah, spaghetti is done.
His favorite thing he want to eat.
Yeah, I ain't had spaghetti. And how long?
When last time I made it? I don't know. It's been some months.
Yeah, it did been for some months. But anyway, about to eat. We catch y'all tomorrow because we gotta go to Walmart, gotta get some stuff. Well, she gotta get some stuff, but I gotta get something too.
Who I get some stuff?
You?
What I got again?
I don't know what you getting.
Oh.
I don't know what you getting.
I don't know what you getting either. That's my man. Yeah.
Alright, man. I need a thumbnail.
What the fuck?
You know I'm gonna do that regardless.
How you gonna do that?
Like I do the other one.
Damn, it's hot.
I need to do a thumbnail.
Okay.
Got the thumbnail.
It's hot.
You hot.
I'm always with you. I know. That's why you with me.
No comments.
Yeah. Cause you know. Move. I'm not done. Move.
Yeah, y'all, but I ain't finna end off this vlog real quick. But I'm gonna end off this vlog when we fixing our plate, have our plates ready, because I gotta like do a thumbnail with the things, you know.
They're gonna see us tomorrow.
Yeah, they're gonna see us tomorrow. But anyway.
Oh, now you wanna vlog 2 days? No, you should have been did that.
I'm just doing something real cool, but
You should have been did that.
yeah, y'all. About to fix my plate because I'm hungry. Yeah. Back, y'all. Got done fixing our plate. My baby plate right here. My plate right there. I got barbecue on it. She don't got nothing on it, but I know she finna put something on it.
I'm not.
You ain't finna put nothing on your chicken wing?
If I do, they ain't gonna, I don't know. Tight in the same thing.
Yeah, tied in the same thing. But anyway, y'all, see y'all tomorrow because I'm not finna end this vlog. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow in the next clip. Yeah, because we about to smash on this good food. Yeah, y'all see it.
I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Y'all see that?
That's why I eat.
What you say?
Every time you big say something, I can't ever get up.
Mm-hmm. You got to eat good.
Like Thanksgiving.
Yeah. But anyway, see y'all in the next clip. It's gonna be tomorrow. Cause we gotta eat, finish watching our TV show. So yeah.
The next day.
Back y'all. We at Walmart. Yeah. I don't know what the hell she looking
I want
at.
something bigger than that stuff.
What, bigger than what?
Them ears up there.
Mm.
Today is the day.
Yeah.
Stupid.
I did the
Yeah,
I know I was doing.
No, you did. And then you know the damn thing was right on the side of it. What is wrong with you?
Yeah. Okay.
Ain't this where we got our tabs? No. That's why our face tabs stuff in the window.
No. I need me another one. You gonna buy it for me?
Damn.
I do. Damn. Which one? The blue one.
You might as well get two of them then. They're $1 or something.
No, just get one.
He doesn't need to do some shit.
Where's the tab? Let me put it down here. You got me a new tab. I'm throwing the other one in the garbage.
You should have been bought you a new one.
No.
Yeah. How long you had that?
Since 2019.
Yeah, you should have been got you a new one.
I don't know what the hell she talking about, y'all. Like for real.
A few moments later.
You ain't weird.
The lotion right there.
Oh.
And get her hand sanitizer.
Oh shit, okay.
What's on there?
I don't know.
I don't know what's on there either. Now we're looking for the hand sanitizer. It's over there. Hand sanitizer. Get that one.
What, the spray? They are the same.
See this one? This one there. This one. Get that.
Thought you can't fool.
Nope.
Ooh. That's what that is. Let's check that shit out.
Yeah, y'all be at Dollar Tree.
Oh, this I get
Yeah,
the thing.
Alright. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. What do you mean worrying about? You know I'm recording. I can't be holding stuff in my hand.
You got one hand that you're not doing nothing.
Quiet.
Maybe before.
All this stuff they got. We went from Walmart to here.
Yeah, because of you, I could have got all this shit there.
No.
You want to be fucking cheap and shit.
No. I ain't trying to be cheap.
You is.
You is.
Nah, don't be a cheap. I ain't
I
being
know.
cheap, that's you. I can't wait to get my shit. So we go back to Walmart. Then?
I heard you.
How much you think it's gonna be $2 or what? I forgot.
Just put 3/4 out, just in case. Just in case. Sorry about that, y'all. That's all she do. Back, y'all, at the crib now. Just left Walmart, just left the other store. Y'all seen us there. So we back at the crib. Yeah, but we did not record. We did not record when we was at Taco Bell. So yeah, it was too much. Then they had background music in there and all that. You say? Your hair, right? Look at your hair.
Cause I ain't put on gel in my hair. I gotta wash my hair. Cause I gotta do some more shopping at Walmart and stuff.
Yeah. Anyway, y'all. So we gotta continue watching the show. We were watching. And all that. And I gotta edit this video. Damn, I forgot which one is mine.
The one that balls up. I don't ball no water, so who's
Gotta keep y'all some water. I gotta keep it. Yeah, keep some water. But
sensitive.
Anyway, y'all. Yeah, that was me and Bae finna go watch some TV, chill and relax, watch some TV, and yeah, eat some snacks.
What's that? What's snacks
in the cabinet.
I know we had snacks.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
We bought them yesterday.
You bought.
We bought them.
You bought.
We bought them. It's a difference.
You bought because it was your car that you used.
Anyway, we both bought it. But anyway, y'all, I'm not finna have y'all on here for so long. So make sure y'all like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Peace. What you say?
Nothing.
Alright, y'all. Peace.
Went on one knee to ask you to marry me, and you say yes, baby. Baby, I just wanna hold you tight. I just wanna be in your life.